Alright, so we just talked about how to highlight verses of scripture. Another thing that you can do, so I've made this highlight. If I tap on it, it pulls up this menu. Now, if I want to make a note about this, I can hit note. I can give this note a title. So I'm just going to call it Insight. And I'm going to say, I really like this scripture. Now here you can do lots of different things. You can make a list. So I can say, talks about baptism, helping others, and so on. And once I'm done making that note, I hit the check mark, and then it will be saved. Now you'll notice on the right side, there's a little square with a triangle on the bottom right. It's meant to look like a post-it note or a sticky note. If I tap on that, then I can look at the note that I just made, and if I want to change it, I can tap this pencil icon. And it pulls this up, and I can, change something about it. And then, again, hit the check mark when I'm done. And then I've made a note.